Okay, I'm back. I have a fresh battery and I got everything over to my mother-in-law's house in her fridge and freezer, the extra one that she's got. Thank the Lord that she has that. So all I have is like frozen pizzas in the freezer, and I think that's literally everything in there. And then just the rest of the stuff in my fridge, and I think some drinks in the other fridge, which is, I mean, technically our drink fridge, but so I'm gonna go ahead and load those up in the coolers that are still in my car, and then we can disassemble that AC unit and then get her litter box emptied out. I'm just gonna completely throw all of it away into a trash bag, and then we can start fresh with more litter at my mother-in-law's. So maybe it'll help her not get so upsetty spaghetti because she's in a new place. She's pretty sensitive, so I'm kind of worried, but we don't have much option. So let's jump right into it.
People in therapy are often there to deal with people in their lives who won't go to therapy. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling, though my hairline is thinning. I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods.
Some stuff is just gonna have to go. Happy hurricane season.
My feelings, sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. Some days I wish I had a relationship status. Then I remember last time I ain't got time for that. I have a job, it's actually quite fulfilling, though my hairline is thinning. I barely do anything else. I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination. I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all thanks to you. My friend.
Hot. I'm over sweating. Over it being hot. Okay, y'all, I have a good feeling. It's all gonna fit.
Says I am stuck. I'm too self-aware, but how else will I get any luck if there are wounds left to wear? I read self-help books, I do meditation, walks in the woods, a new destination.
If it looks like I'm in a rush, it's because I am. And that is because I don't know how much longer I have with the generator. I topped it off with all the fuel we had left. And I don't really know how much longer it's gonna stay on, if I'm being honest. I think maybe I bought myself like an hour, maybe 2. And that was before I left the first time. So I don't really know how much time I have. But I'm trying to move quickly. Food is the most important. Food's gonna go in the coolers. I can always put drinks in these bags.
I sit with my feelings. Sometimes I'm even journaling. I got a full-time job, though no one pays me, and it's all who day begins. I feel cold and heartless. I've run myself thin, like a distant star.
But here's the AC system. Yes, look at my lovely duct tape job. Wow. But anyways, I gotta take all the tape off. That's like an insert that goes in the window so it can vent it out. There's a hole in that insert. This whole thing just collapsed together, kind of like a slinky. And then I just need to empty out the drip bucket. That's where all the condensation pours out to. And then that's all that needs to be done for that. So I'm waiting on to do I'm waiting to do this one last because it feels so good and the house is so hot. And your girl is like seriously dripping sweat. It's hot. It's like 86 in here now and I'm struggling. So the AC is the last thing to get put up, but let's finish and get on the road. Okay, empty the other garbages. Let me empty her bowls really quick so I don't bump them and then water's everywhere. And then I have another mess to clean up because I'm clumsy and I've done it before. Let go. Okay, empty those. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. I think I need a bigger garbage bag. Hold, please. All right, got a bigger garbage bag.
Have you traveled far? I miss you in my arms. You're like my lucky charm. Are you happier now, love? Still wander the city streets.
Ah, damn it, I did it! Ah, damn it, I did it anyways! Hold on. Yep. Lip. Sweating profusely. Not having a good time. Don't live in the South, people. My tip, my advice of the day. All right, I guess let me go get the frickin' vacuum.
With love, though you're the beat of my aching heart. Happier, are you happier, my heart? Happier, are you happier, my aching heart? I see you in my dreams. I'm about to ask how you've been. My
Okay, it's time.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way.
Okay, I think that my camera overheated because it's been running this whole time, and it's also 85 degrees in this house. So I'm gonna load up. I gotta get her in her kennel, which she hates, so that's gonna be fun. Other than that, I just have to load everything else up into the car and pray that I don't lose any of my fridge stuff. I had a hiccup. I was like, is that a burp or is it a hiccup? And then I don't know what came out. So I have to go duct tape that outside window, load her up. I might have to just come back tomorrow. I need to go shut down the generator, lock everything up. So let me go ahead and finish and get this house shut down and locked up. And I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. It was definitely different, and I know it's not what I normally put out, but it's what's going on right now, and I kind of wanted to keep you guys in the loop and kind of show y'all what's been going on and how we've been dealing. So if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. It's 100% free. It just lets you know every time I post. And I will see y'all very soon in the next one. Bye.